Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money watching videos in 2022. This is a simple method that helps you earn passive income. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can fit it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Let's go to Followfastcom right now. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, these are people who have made money online. Several well-known individuals are making a lot of money. Stay with me until the end of the video because I'll show you how to make money watching videos, as well as a few extra tips to help you make the maximum money on this platform. Now, to join the platform, simply click this button. This will take you to a page where you can fill out all of the necessary information to create an account on their website. To complete the procedure, simply fill in the fields such as username, email, password, and all other fields. Simply enter the CAPTCHA codes to continue and you'll be able to establish your own account. By the way, I almost forgot to mention that this strategy is completely free and can be used from anywhere on the planet. So there's a reason not to try it. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Returning to Followfast, you'll be directed to your personal dashboard after successfully creating an account where you may choose how you want to make money. Now, before we look at the movies that will make us money, you can see that, as I previously stated, there are a few possibilities and ways to make money. But for now, let's just concentrate on watching videos. Simply click this button to be transported to this page where you'll find the video. You'll watch for a few seconds before being charged. Points can be earned by watching a short film and then converting them into cash. Let's move on to the video we'll be watching by pressing the play button. When you click that, you'll see that the timer on Followfast.com has already started counting down the seconds. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to pause or exit the video if the timer runs out. Now, since you're still with me, I'd like to offer you one more suggestion to assist us maximize our profits. For the time being, you're only collecting points for one video. Consider how much money you could make if you ran 20 videos simultaneously. Yes, you read that properly. You can open many tabs and watch multiple videos at once to win more points than the typical player. You won't actually watch the videos after you've clicked through all of them. Instead, you'll click on them and let them play in the background while you finish the timer. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. To save data on your internet connection, you can lower the video quality to 144 pixels. Isn't that a fantastic idea? When you return to your Followfast dashboard, click this button to receive daily or hourly additional points. This can be accomplished simply by logging into your account and completing the tasks that Followfast has sent to you. It's now time to move on to the most exciting element of this method, cashing out. To cash out the points you've earned by watching the aforementioned videos on Followfast, simply click this button. You'll be brought to this page where you can choose from a choice of payment options to cash out your points. Make sure you're also signed up for these payment methods such as PayPal, and I'm particularly delighted with the low cash out threshold. To summarize the method, simply register on this site. Click this button and you'll be needed to watch videos for a set period of time in order to make and if you've satisfied the payment cash out condition. Then you may cash out right away. It's that easy. Overall, this is a great method for anyone who is new to the internet and wants to make some money. The profits may not appear to be considerable at first, but over the course of a few days, weeks, or months, they will add up to a sizable savings account. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money watching videos in 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.